In this episode, we take you to a country located in Central America, Guatemala. From Guatemala City, 35 miles west, our visit will take us to a city called Antigua, Guatemala, a city surrounded by 3 volcanoes. How do the volcanoes affect agriculture, specifically soil in the region? The answer, and more happening here at Building My Veggie Garden. Guatemala is a country located in Central America. It has a relatively warm and tropical climate. The temperatures range between 70 and 90 degrees Fahrenheit. If you were to live in Guatemala City, you could grow in your garden poinsettias, succulents and cacti, roses, pineapples, figs, walking iris, and oregonon or Cuban oregano, as our friend Melina Orozco grows in her garden. If you go 35 miles west to a city called Antigua, the temperature is slightly colder, between 60 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Antigua was designated as a World Heritage Site in 1979 due to its Spanish Baroque-influenced architecture and almost 500 years of history. Antigua is the most visited place in Guatemala by travelers. The city is surrounded by 3 volcanoes, Agua, Acatenango, and Fuego. The dormant volcanoes are a popular day hike destination. The Fuego volcano is active, and you can see it shooting lava constantly. The eruptions are usually small, but big enough to spread volcano ashes in the area. This makes Antigua a lush highland valley. Volcanic ash is ideal for vegetable production because it's fertile and enriched with many minerals. Soils enriched with volcanic ashes have increased resistance to pests and diseases. The abundance of minerals also gives vegetables a better flavor and a greater nutritional value. We wanted to know how volcanic ashes affected vegetable crops, so we visited an organic farm that is also a farm-to-table organic food restaurant called Caoba Farms and Cafe. Caoba Farms and Cafe are 2 fully operating organic farms and a restaurant that provides the locals with organic products. They are also a learning center, offering permaculture classes for those interested in learning about sustainable agriculture. We had a chance to go around the farm and see the crops. They have designated food forests that not only produce, but are also considered medicinal plants. The function of these forests is to increase the biodiversity of the farms, harvest low-maintenance produce, provide beneficial environments for insects and animals, and offer a beautiful and engaging place. The farms also harvest their own seeds. But perhaps their most proud achievement is their provision of a community space where not only the locals but also visitors can enjoy farm tours, a butterfly sanctuary, weekly farmer markets, an artisan market, a store, and a farm-to-table restaurant. The food is delicious, colorful, and most important, organic. Is there a way you can experience the benefits of volcanic ash in your garden? Yes! You can buy certified volcanic ash at a store that sells agricultural products. Make sure the seller is certified. All you need is a scoop of volcanic ashes in your compost and your soil is set. If you want to use the volcanic ashes directly into your garden, sprinkle a pinch around your plants, not on top of them. That's all you need to enrich your soil. Visiting Caoba Farms and Cafe was a fun learning experience. If you're in the area or planning to visit Guatemala, make time to visit the farm and learn about the biodiversity of the area. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our social media channels. See you next time. Bye.